Hey, are you guys making friends already? Hi, Jeff of Kelga Creations here. So, did you like it? I just want to take this moment to say a few things. Since last year, I started making model kit related videos. And recently, over 1,000 of you guys have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of you who has taken the time to watch, liked, commented and shared my videos. Thank you so much. I'll continue to grow to create more valuable content for you guys. I would also like to give 3 more thanks. Firstly, to the awesome guys at the Gunpla talk show for the group build. It finally gave me an opportunity to paint this model kit that I assembled a few years ago. They have an awesome community on Discord, and also check them out on YouTube and Twitch. Secondly, I'd like to thank Studio G for sending me the new GPaint V2. I'm really impressed by this new paint, and I look forward to painting more model kits with them. Thank you so much for being a source of inspiration for so many of us, not just as a content creator, YouTuber, a Gunpla builder, but as my friend. Thank you. Thirdly, I'd like to thank Supernova Studio for sending me their airbrush, and also just being the best hobby and artist tool that I've experienced in South Africa where I'm based. If you're also in South Africa, definitely check them out. Now all the guys that I just mentioned, I'll have their links in the description below. Finally, going forward with my channel, I would like to continue to evolve my content format. I'll still be making those montage videos that's entertaining to watch, but also I would like to make videos that's covering certain topics or processes. That way it will allow me to share more of my experiences, my knowledge, and my journey with you guys. I hope you'll look forward to that and you'll find them valuable. Starting with the next project with this. Oh wait, let me quickly just make some space. With this Microtro Rego kit. So until next time, stay awesome and keep creating. RX-78 goes pew pew pew. Mr. Roboto goes domo arigato Mr. Roboto. And lastly, Haro goes hello Lucky.